Welcome to Computech Computer Basics. Today's video is about the basic knowledge of operating system in computer. Before getting started, please subscribe Computech Computer Basics and also press the bell icon for latest updates. An operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic functions like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives, printers, and all other devices. Some of the important functions of an operating system are memory management, process management, device management, file management, security, control over the system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, coordination between other software and user. Operating systems were first developed in the late 1950s to manage tape storage, when computers could only run one program at a time. It was called GMOS and was created by General Motors for IBM's machine, the 701. The operating system in the 1950s were called single stream batch processing system. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Applications like browsers, MS Office, Notepad, games, etc. needs some different environment to run and perform its tasks. The operating system helps us to communicate with computer without knowing how to speak computer language. It's not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. There are many operating systems that exists in our latest devices. But I am telling you about 10 best operating systems are available in the market nowadays. Microsoft Windows, Ubuntu, Mac operating system, Fedora, Solaris, FreeBSD, Chrome operating system, Cent operating system, Debian operating system, Deepin operating system. Some of the famous categories of operating systems are Bash operating system, multitasking or time-sharing operating system, multiprocessing operating system, real-time operating system, distributed operating system, network operating system, and mobile operating system. So friends, this is the basic knowledge about operating system in computer. Please tell me your opinion about this video in comment section below. And also subscribe my channel for more video updates. See you in my other videos. Thanks for watching.